So this is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is pretty impressive. Write code in GDScript to rotate a vector every frame by 15 degrees. I don't know if it's going to work, actually. I've never tried that specific prompt. So let's see. Amazing. It's crazy. It's kind of crazy. To rotate a vector in GDScript, you can use the rotate method. Here's an example of how you might use to rotate a vector by 15 degrees every frame. Note that the rotate method takes the angle in radians. What? Can you see that? So you have to convert it first. So here he's converting it the radians first, and then it's rotating using the function. That's crazy. It's I was blown away. Of course there are mistakes. Of course the code is not always perfect. Actually, it's often a bit complicated for nothing, but it's quite impressive that it's able to do it. Wouldn't it be great to make a full game with AI? Yeah, I think you can now. You have everything you need to do that. Of course, it's going to be... maybe it will look weird and stuff like that, but it will work. Bro, I asked for an AI which follows the player using navmesh. I've just tried and it works. I was struggling with that for like 2 days and it worked. No. Seriously? That's crazy. I asked for a basic enemy AI, and it produced something. It produced a code that was actually pretty usable. The AI would follow the player if it was close enough, and if the player was far away, it would just wander around. It was actually, the code was limited in some ways, but it was actually quite impressive. You can ask for other things like doing scripts or doing cover letters or things like that. Write a small script on how limitations force creativity. So you have that, okay? I don't want to read to all of that. It's too much. So turn that into bullet points. I mean, look at it. Look at it. You had that. Those are the ideas. And then boom. And you have the bullet points. These limitations can actually be a source of inspiration and drive us to be more creative in how we approach a problem. Okay? It's a bit nebulous, but okay. Limitation can force creativity by restricting our options and pushing us out of our comfort zone. Yeah. It's interesting. It's not game changer, and in some cases it's a bit like too, the idea is cool, but it's like, tell me something actionable, something that I can do. Tell me how this can be applied to game development. This might mean finding cheaper materials to use or coming up with a more efficient way of completing the project. Okay, so this is a bit unrelated, right? Finding cheaper materials, but the idea is here. Moreover, game developers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible with technology, and limitations in technology can also inspire creativity. For example, the limited processing powers of early video game consoles forced game developers to come up with creative solutions to get the most out of the technology. This led to the development of many innovative gameplay mechanics and design choices that are still used today. That is on point. Like, this part is really good. This is on point. In conclusion, limitations can be a powerful force for creativity in game development. They can drive game developers to find creative solutions to stay within budget, meet tight deadlines, and push the boundaries of technology. By embracing limitations and using them as an opportunity to be more creative, game developers can create unique and innovative games. But overall, there's structure, there are ideas, it's well written. Honestly, you could use some of that. If you're writing a video on that subject, and I could use this part, for example. write a short goodbye sentence to my viewers. Goodbye, everyone. It was great having you as my audience. I hope you have a wonderful day.